Hey everyone! So today we're doing a 8x16 flip and drag. I did pour the rest of my gold bronze in this cup, so I wanted to use it up because it's so pretty and I need to mix some more. But this is gold bronze by Lucas. It's an absolutely beautiful color when it dries. So we have the Paynes gray with the gunmetal metallic base paint. The videos below in the description box will take you to my paint mixing videos. One is for the base paint and one is for how we mix our bottled paint. Okay, so this one is Color Shift Raspberry Flash. All my paints in the bottles do have silicone in them already. If I don't use silicone, I'll let you know. And this is the Deco Art Sterling Silver that comes in a jar. So I have a little bit more than usual because this is a dark background. Our color gets eaten quite easily. So I like to add just a little bit of extra paint. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this in the middle. We'll let all that paint fall down. And if you're new and you haven't seen us before, subscribe while you're here. Let me get a little poker out here and get that cup, pop a little hole in there and let this suction out. When you flip a cup on top of paint, you'll usually get this little suction thing going. I do have a little bit of paint coming out, so it's not quite as bad. But what I like to do is be able to glide that paint kind of on top of this base coat and not drag it against the canvas. So I always wait till I'm loose like this before I start to move. Plenty of paint. I like to let it set for a minute, fill itself in. All my silver's here, all my gold is there. Let me give it a torch and see what we got. Here we go. And I'm going to stretch this out. Pretty, pretty. This is really pretty. I'm not a pink girl, but this Raspberry Flash is really pretty, and it is a new Color Shift color. They have 4 new ones: Plum, Dragon, Orchid, and Raspberry. So check those out at your local craft stores. They leave a nice sheen that changes color a little bit. I'm going to stretch just a little bit more without going off. Just open that up. Look at that right there. How pretty. Very pretty. So I'm just going to push out my edges just very lightly with the airbrush. This is our airbrush that we use. It's all in one little unit. I have them in my Amazon shop. You don't have to have a big compressor. It's just a little, I'll show you. It's just a little handheld, a little tabletop. Does the trick. It's 25 psi, so it's blowing just a little bit of air, and you don't have to worry about blowing all your paint off the canvas. I do have tutorials on how to use your airbrush without going in like this. I teach you how to do the edge. So you can check that out too. In my playlist I have one whole section on tutorials. Everything from buying your supplies to shipping your packages. We do a lot of shipping. We do a lot of auctions, almost monthly. We're going to change that up a little bit. Maybe not do them quite so often, but have the prices available in our Etsy shop. So we will make it easy for everyone. A lot of people can't make it and they miss out and they're sad and they feel bad because they miss out on great paintings. So that sterling silver, of course, is going to react with this Paynes gray, which is going to be absolutely gorgeous when it dries. So I'm just trying to push that just a little bit more, because this Paynes gray is not like black, but it is a darker color. So when you push the lighter colors over, the darker color loves to push through that. So I always want to make sure I get enough pushed out that I don't lose it completely. And if you feel like you have too much, you can always take your airbrush and push some back in spots and just touch the edge, and it should blend right in. Let me give this another torch. I can't wait to see how this dries with that raspberry, and these are all metallic-y, so be very shiny. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on that bell. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Click like and share. Share to your Pinterest or Instagram, wherever you want. Look how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, get off it, right? I always have to just sit and drool a little bit, because when I see this kind of action here and like this front end of wispiness, this is what makes my heart sing as an artist. So check out all the links below. Paint mixing videos, Amazon, Etsy, everything's below. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. We will show this dry upon request on Monday nights. Join us every Monday night at 9 p.m. We're live. That is Eastern Time, USA. We do some pours and we chit-chat. We answer questions. We're here for a couple of hours on Monday nights, and it's just a great time. We have quite a few people that come and watch. Great support system for our channel, and we appreciate it very much. Sharing the videos helps us get exposed more too. We're really working to get that 100,000 subscribers, so any little bit you can do to help us out, it would be awesome. I would be so grateful. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.